Na say you no tie say mo yoko office ho na denti na MPP ade hye any one kasa makobo njenku ewo yoko so ho.
Oh, it has nothing to do with MPP. For God and country. No cranny.
For God and country. That's
FM. The Banai, a copy more Yoko, and for net and running in Namio. Nanina is in connection with the leader and founder of MPG, a Liberal Party of Ghana, Omo Bano Deni, Ora Kofi Apalu. Na Yoko. Ebe fa no free kumate ne de bank right. The yachino. Na yachino no. Ye na ha me kakra eni se bi Yoko enye you can say economic and organized crime office no. Enye a private entity. A public entity. The Sanintino, Sabie, Mrano Bekan say Yoko is mandated to disclose the reason for arrest in matters of public interest. So, in matters of public interest, Tana Mihunu Ura Apalu case, it's answer Ura Apalu or immediate past presidential candidate. 2024 general election for LPG4. And any issue surrounding him is of public interest. Now, when say, Yoko Betman state reasons in Tia, Omo Fano, and then a coco share, Omo Ashia, public no, ya Maquine, and now say, then criticize space for misinterpretation of Yoko's action vis-a-vis spreading of falsehood. Because in Central for not say why my reasons is be so to me taking on due advantage, it can be any the public, which is not right.
Because me answer na mema watu aso no kra no asema wo kan sesia say Yoko for ensheda mambontin embe card gudinti a woni akire no no because information we are also gathering they say contract bi a okoji free ECG ho allegedly $1.9 million no sa contract no stress was all supply some generators when TV and supply and in supply hunyan
Abotchie bina oye ni kiti yo. When they say issues under contention, it has nothing to do with ECG contract. On the bina oye the yo.
Yes, the entity no.
Aha, if you see no, and no me no. I say, enye wo de all can dey tell us what to be. And also do anu atum. When any idea ya na me what issue with Yoko. I don't know bibia. As be ora Remonacha no me what personal vendetta with him. No. But as a matter of a public interest. I was saying nyama bi oh yeah. Na sebi what down what di na what share anamona wutu ye no. What share yenti otu sa anamono na obi tiechira wa hunu say we there it has nothing to do with political persecution but yeah wa gini say o mra ne chebonsem ne tani no ye be fa akokoam ye ba ne aka cho say tenti na Abotchie ababa be fa o na nipa bi tieche Abotchie sabi ye nyina wa pagya SOMPA FM won kran obi adi na chi no ye se wakoye e makwan come and conform a misleading story. It's not right.
But honorable. Meet you.
At some no crantia, Sabi, Omochi Ora Apaluno. A matter which is before competent court of jurisdiction.
Matter Benga.
Pajote.
Assam Benga.
A private issue, crash, on any business partner, as in a company. Omodi akodi adwuma na edru ba bi no ehu tikasem no ekoye bata asem no nyina eho na gina o eho na gina ebi mu afa hu gu nanimu asesa no sabi edru ba bi na eya na ha dwene
Because information so I gather and say the business partner no I say one no bintimi wase bi eba womuntem na ema aye ura apaluso so e could be a different account na ushare the spelling of the names involved no I say oyi one letter be every edinum and of course yes through that no he was using that different account and getting the monies paid to him through the contract that he worked on.
And America says that same way no court no will decide when I say oh you're guilty and I say oh you're guilty because the me no go into agreement. Now young fan says payment but na payment never you know one family media mame now wo fa na me could be a company near tua me na say me ba be tua wo kire dia and no court will decide as to say you're right and I say you're right and I say after frustration it will go be a company now what will decide well these are matters of a year and yeah dia will be a money e can want them to.
Oh okay, so we can conclude and say sir it is a matter between two business partners, not a matter between Ura Apalu and the state.
But it's the state.
But Obisumaka say, Sir Ura Apalu etimi fa ekwan bi so etimi ko be different account. State you know, I was so chesika no the two original account no na scan divert to different account. Then it becomes a matter between the state and Apalu.
This matter no will be adjudicated by a competent court of jurisdiction. And yet idea is not within your purview to determine say why you from so and not from so. Court will decide. But say will be a bit crucified and say why you born in there. And no, let's leave it to court to decide.
Matthias,
yes, no.
Okay, so more Yoko office Modi Moisson etoto for moi. Say no ensemble pana Yoko for eka. Omo be jane ne.
Oh yeah, that time omo peja no. I think say he was arrested on
3 days ago.
Exactly, no clearly no. Within 48 hours on aye and na dey e kwan bi aso so omo timi yi no. The omo antimi anyi na I'll be surprised. And almost yet almost a back and forth so you know numerator never and the bail condition so no yentimi and satisfied so I mean posterity is the best judge you know.
Okay,
and send me your
okay, so because posterity would be the best judge how many bail condition be at 23 so
and I mentioned now that is I think say to be determined by Yoko when they are working on it. Into almost the bill no Baba Betua I'm sure it's a public interest. We don't say it has to be in the opportunity so.
Honorable, but do you think, sir, aya ejuma Yoko for no no? Wamu said that say the past appointees and some Ghanaians are their target, and for that matter, 1% one more tetes anchor.
Oh, but me, I'm on record to have said, say, the selective application of the law, no, it's not right, and that is from what I say. No.
Okay, so they are practicing the selection application of the law, as it's saying.
As I'm say. Acquired say koto de nebote yenyanche de onko amemu na yehunu yenim enkofo a tete almost so wa ban yimu a eya attorney general etimi afile nolly prosecute to discontinue all cases before court ana meboa
through that.
There be net through that me boy na me.
Oh, that man asa be say no kra na oka.
Aha, me ti kan say na o be me kan no eti diabochi eti say eti sa dia and you say no kra ni na che say aban no in terms of say all dispensing justice for all no. Yeah no na yehu no.
All right, so say me there's a worry that has been, boggling me through my mind sometime now. As a political vendetta, political persecution has become the order of the day in this country. I don't know the day ebeba yebeka say we should learn to forgive each other. Forgiveness, we know, it's a virtue. It's one of the greatest virtues in the Bible. Say enya wa ochina ebeye unia. Asem we a abai debia yoku asem every day yoku asem. Yenka say nipedi bone a e wose ye ne ho eche no. But some of the things are we, some of the media men, must speak against it because tomorrow it could be us.
Yes, Honorable Kofi Apalo say. On says, I am no fan baby echo decota. Yes, I'm a court on the carry. What you say? A moment I am corner near wife who be. Now you're the man a beer, an investigative body be, no source of be. Na as a business, yeah, charge for being a fan court to Subio or court. Then every other 20 case, you know. I'm a plaintiff, no. Oh, the time near my way a batadia. Not the issue of political persecution, no. And I which is not right. Which is not right. And you know, I'm calling on the government. Fair to all parties involved in matters of this nature. And no crony, Bruni Bakan said transparency and due process are very essential for building public trust. And in this sense, no, the BBA na bino, Mudaho, na bino has a muntentia, na bino has a sebi, won't reduce the extraction of the populace, no, African class citizens. Na bino has a Obama Peri Aye Juma. Abwa Emma, Mukweni, or mine tumpong.
All right. You know, the uncommon we see. So, in one word, how would you describe the work of Ioku for the past 6 months?
Oh, Mukweni, me expect to say, Ioku. Your money to me, and your core mission, no, so mobile monitoring, or mobile preventing, no more prosecuting economic crime. But this is a clear mandate to act in the public interest. Intimate say, only be a no, must be acted in public interest.
But are they justified? What kind of actions they take against public officials?
I shall say,
only are justified. Are the kind of actions they take?
Oh, no. Uche, I'm confronting many Yoko problem. You see, I'm trying to restrain myself because then the complaints is becoming one too many. Sebi. I'm a politician. And the Basana, Ayana, Ehame, already Omokoko, Ura Magdan. Sebi. Ore, Equire Omofato Rambo Star. Almost Kipu Chemawun to me, a cofa a highly exorbitant a big condition, they were told so. Woshe and Yama, oh my year, and a bit brave, Sabi. I know thing. Anna, oh, become was Antino, except for Naya and Yokono. You may be a show on mandate at Yamono. Is it not an abuse of office? Say, about you, what you are. When you mean me, a figure, Tabuno, I can say, Untimina, you near the Atoso. So if you are not well connected, that never say, oh, then you are. Is it fair?
Okay, so how can see I when you could for no war? No, and yes, Ubiare Bonina, Yatu and Sana, your friend, no. But conditions are bail conditions are a year one but the two sancrophone or so. I don't know if he say and no unwedding.
Bail condition.
All right, and Tiabusha for Yabetimidi and Common see me patron. I've not invited you. Honorable Collins Owusu Amankwa, a former NPP MP for Manshiya North, and artist no Edin Commando. But there is one story here yɛbɛkɔ mu na saa story no ɛfa honorable ɔhene akompreko Kennedy Ejapon, and then Kennedy Ejapon has something to say. Na yebisa say then na eye ura Kennedy Ejapon aka abusha moma yenko sisi a na yenko tie de ura eye Kennedy Ejapon aka ye
SOMPA FM.
But unfortunately, I'm having some difficulty right here. But Pato, Utien Komami, this is here.
Prof, I Komonimo Komonimo Dena. I asked some, yeah, Papa Mapalu. Me a bomb passe, ye intia yoko for Atun Safrena, Ogusu or Macachino. Omudin Chichimu Bebre, because according to when for now, no,
Chichimu be a
metoja.
The attitude artism.
The transit yoko for Nankasa.
But honorable Collins, who's a manufacturer and say it's a matter between Ono and in the business partner.
Oh,
and
okay.
it's for payments.
I don't know about Canada, but we want official,
communication
from
Yoko.
From Yoko.
Sure.
But I never mass.
And never
Japan the mass be able to.
Oh, sir.
And I knew me never mass.
Okay. So them who's so through. My taken it in Japan.
Therefore, national 1.7 million votes deficit. Tabanabati, Obisi McNanabati is Obisi Akanai. Akanai. Mahama lost with a vote of 1 million. It took him 8 years. Obi Lusu 1.7 million a year. If 1 million is equal to 8 years, therefore 1.7 million is equal to what? X. Find X. Find X. Uncle National 1.7 million votes deficit. Tabanabati, Obisi McNanabati is Obisi Akanai. Akanai. Mahama lost with a vote of 1 million. It took him 8 years. Obi Lusu 1.7 million a year. If 1 million is equal to 8 years, therefore 1.7 million is equal to what? X. Find X. Find X. Yeah, everybody say Mahama Atinyako Waba after 8 years Masala. Okay, good. So if you are using that language, Mahama or the 1 million votes deficit and a continent here. And what the 8 years and into 1.7 million votes deficit. I have 3 years in that. Uncle National 1.7 million votes deficit. Tabanabati, Obisi McNanabati is Obisi Akanai. Akanai. Mahama lost with a vote of 1 million. It took him 8 years. Obi Lusu 1.7 million a year. If 1 million is equal to 8 years, therefore 1.7 million is equal to what? X. Find X.
X in the year, you better find pa X in the year. Me say X in the year. You better find pa. Oh, brand new, bra kwaba. X in the year, you better find pa. Was it Bahama in 2016? Oluzu aya 1 million votes. And what it now opposition for 8 years. Say aya ora Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Onu Oluzu 1.7 million votes. And you know, say uya calculation na find X. And the X no. Yeah, but we don't need mass. We don't mass.
President Mahama lost with a vote difference of 1 million. And it took him 8 years to come back to power. Someone has lost with 1.7 million votes. If 1 million is equal to 8 years, Therefore, 1.7 equals to x. Find x.
I find x in the mommy.
Yeah, and I'm new.
The people find x in the mommy.
And the answer to say, So if 1 million is equal to 8 years,
1 million, 1 million votes lost.
1 million votes lost is equal to 8 years. Then 1.7 million is equal to x. And the x in the ever find.
And the x.
And the calculation in here.
Your calculation.
1 million x over 1 million is equal to 8 years times 1.7 million all over 1 million.
Hey, we must know you're correct today.
Correct, pa.
Where so?
Me bongo master.
Maybe a math teacher, science teacher, na biti hayo.
So natural me. And they say they apply.
Okay, what they find x in my head?
And they say divide BBR by 1 million. So 1 million x over 1 million is equal to 8 years by, that is times 1.7 million all over 1 million. And ucha 1 million baku wasi ucha 1 million baku wasi mwa ebeka 1 million x is equal to 8 times 1.7.
And how many?
And x is equal to 8 years times 1.7. Now, and which is x is equal to.
Mama me pen the paper. Hey,
guy, x is equal to 8 years by 1.7.
Yes.
X is equal to 13.6 years. And note in here, say 13.6 years is equal to 30 years plus 0.6 years. And since 1 year, 12 months, no. Say 1 year be 12 months there. Then 0.6 years by 12 months is equal to 7.2 months. Now, who approximated the whole thing at the back 7.2 months, no. So all the nearest whole number. 7 months. Naturally, say 13.6 years is equivalent to approximately 13 years and 7 months. 13
years.
Yeah, 13 years and 7 months. Obit na fear 1 year. Now adding 8 years never back there. And your 1.7 or not the 13 years, 7 months never back.
I will buy there.
Oh man, the more they say.
Oh,
and that's you fear that.
that's you fear
that. And then calculation day.
Yay!
What Rabo can I for?
You know the assembly. But only more.
Me too, bro.
Sir, me from where I sit. Oh, me patcho. From where I sit, I am foreseeing something in the new patriotic party. What I foreseen in the say.
That's right.
Say elections we. Say Honorable Kennedy Japan and winner. Primaries, 2026, Me the main count to us.
Okay.
Say Honorable Kennedy Akupreko Japan and winner.
Yeah, the better to us.
Yeah, the better to us.
Yeah, carry your friend.
Sir Dr. Mahmoud Baumiasu winner.
And also, feeling the space.
Feeling the space. So move funny extra. Yes.
Feeling the space. Hey, the new party more there's a NPP party. The more the rough. That's missing me judge journalism. I'm not joining NPP. Hey, more there.
Sir,
make I'm more there. Party more the rough. Say that me judge journalism. I want to make any better. What's up for I'm the milk? What's up for the social? Want to mean politics? Now come on, yet. It's yet the milk. But I pay more there.
Okay. What am I going to say? Many David or say ending come on. One no. Oh, there be. David Boache. Me I mean you are David Boache. Oh, David Boache. So, who do we need to Bunu is regional. One no and is regional secretary of the New Patriotic Party, and again, he is the representative of Eya Baumia, Ewo Bunu East region. David Washima Baba for God and Country on SOMPA 106.5 FM.
PROF ABOTCHIE.
Now, I pump to say.
Namia Dauroma, Memoya Pa, Minimse, so.
Ah, you pa that is shy, no, David the Befru, Bojana David Sra, Santain.
Last year, is young client. What's in client? Now, Memete teach my Bono is. And here she already and I share one client pulling to. But if you want to get a Biana, maybe.
Nasa David, I can't want Cafre. Who got a Chimanka for me?
How do you fetch Mr. Mancrow?
Yo. Se na Baumia campaign no, se no, se na masha ase ana. Na mo sha ase no, ehifa no masha ase free.
Me da se kobla, ma memfa ahama tunkuma watiefo nyina awie. Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Baumia echia obia. Dr. campaign yuguso ehihye pillars no. Yatiti grounds are obeti yen kan se ebeye bribi so nkokra bizeti ya me no ka say die e go so build teams a ebeye ma every constituency the nim free at se doctor and kata TS grounds the wa free ni jumadi ase but various teams campaign teams the beye juma structures no na doctor ama ye hihye ni na pe doctor the biem if you see, or see, Obiara open a Jumano Pese, Oboa Wopepano, or dear quiet towards a beboa. Joko Bebia, who said, the parent de Amokika, the artist from a Betty Yanka Yiva.
Auntie Sabre de Munyan Tissim form.
Oh, David. Okay. You were the formation stage now, you were in planner, your deco. The 6 year you wait there, you were the formational level.
More the formational level, and you believe, say, Bibiabako ye Eddie Amamo.
Oh, media. Koblasa, who said, dear Doctor TSC, a nanning a Jumai 4 year, you don't know your TSC. Now, the margin of victory, and I yepe. Yes, so be winning, Daddy. And the minimum saying, I may a crown in the dada. We see any, oh, but the other teams now. Obi fair constituency be of a chop sermon come minya do say.
SOMPA FM.
But another how.
Oh, sir.
He himself or better build their make mark.
Me patron me bo. David, me patron me bo. O say aspirants ni bi. Esre delegates na won be to aba no say. Omo de omo sre eye delegates no. Yesre mo amoma minya do say. Na enye say omo person omo win elections no.
David. Ti no ye margin of victory ni ye hu aduma. Enye ni ebedi nkunim. Many region let me catch o pay say there is not a single constituency Dr. Baumia eni nkunim ho. Do ba na ye region no hu aduma say ye di nkomo wo ho a. Na ye percentage ebema ye wie ye no automatic reconciliation because we hu say ye dom do ameka dom no ho a ugina nchen eno ho adwuma ne ye yo.
Now David minim say mo ye meetings bebre ba meetings are mo ye nyina no within the formation stage no minim say mo craft mu message mo de beba amonten to your delegates. Now minim say messages when mo de be kwakọ aton Dr. Mahmoud Baumia e de amamu delegates no
me da say kobla Dr. Baumia message message say Oba Kunim 2028. Ye di kind. Doctor knew before fro. Ye kui wedi yura adodanko akufu adoachi say running mate and pre 9. Jana kona bia ni hwa uduru hwa Dr. Baumia uboni dia ye nimu no. Ye